Welcome to Sun Herbal channel. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to be discussing how to make activated charcoal at home. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from this channel. I appreciate your support and would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts on the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. How to make activated charcoal at home. Activated charcoal is a form of carbon that has been treated with oxygen to make it highly porous and adsorbent. It is commonly used in medicine to treat certain types of poisoning and overdose, as well as to purify water and air. It is also used in certain beauty products, such as face masks, because it is believed to draw impurities and toxins out of the skin. Activated charcoal is made from a variety of sources, including coconut shells, peat, and wood. Activated charcoal can be made at home using a few simple materials and methods. Here is one way to make activated charcoal at home. Gather materials. You will need a metal container with a tight-fitting lid, a source of carbon, such as wood or coconut shells, and a source of oxygen, such as a small air pump or bellows. Break the carbon source into small pieces. Heat the carbon source, place the carbon in the metal container and heat it to a high temperature, around 800 to 900 degrees Celsius, in an oven or with a blowtorch. Add oxygen. Once the carbon is heated, add oxygen to the container using the air pump or bellows. This will cause the carbon to become highly porous and adsorbent, creating activated charcoal. Allow the activated charcoal to cool. Grind the activated charcoal to a fine powder. Please note that this process is potentially dangerous and should be done only in a controlled environment. It's also important to note that the resulting activated charcoal may not be as potent as the commercial one. Please do not use chemically treated materials for this project. Some uses of activated charcoal are: water filtration. Activated charcoal is often used in water filtration systems to remove impurities and improve the taste of drinking water. Air purification. It can be used to remove odors and pollutants from the air. Teeth whitening. Activated charcoal is sometimes used as a natural teeth whitener. Digestive issues. It is used to treat gas, bloating and other digestive issues. Poisoning and overdose. Activated charcoal is used to treat certain types of poisoning and overdose by adsorbing the toxic substance. Hangover. Skincare. Activated charcoal is used in face masks and other beauty products to draw impurities and toxins from the skin. Detoxifying agent. Pesticide removal from fruit. Activated charcoal is used in face masks and other beauty products to draw impurities and toxins from the skin. Reducing high cholesterol. Reducing high blood pressure. Reducing flatulence and other digestive issues. Reducing bad breath. Reducing diarrhea. Reducing food poisoning effects. Reducing drug overdose. Reducing drug withdrawal symptoms. Reducing kidney stones. Reducing liver disease. Reducing cancer. Please note that some of the above uses are not scientifically proven or FDA and NAFDAC approved, and some uses may not be safe. Consult with a medical professional before using activated charcoal. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you thought. And if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new videos and receive early notifications. Thanks for supporting Sun Herbal channel and we'll see you in our next video.